Hey guys, welcome into Simple Advantage. Today I want to talk about the AI revolution that's happening right now. So if you guys haven't heard of it yet, there is a new AI that was recently released to the public called ChatGPT. And it's by OpenAI, who also is behind the DALL-E 2 project, which was also a groundbreaking AI when it was released. But it doesn't just stop there. So to give you a quick summary of what some of this is doing, if you haven't heard of DALL-E 2, it is a image processing AI where basically you plug in what you want to see. So it could be like a dog riding a bike, smoking a cigar, and the AI will literally create an image in different art styles of what you typed in. So that was like really exciting a few months ago when it came out, and people were like mind blown by this because it was so cool. But now everything is moving so fast. We have some new AI image processing software that kind of puts, DALL-E to shame, makes it look like a kindergarten toy in some aspects. And then we have ChatGPT, which is on a whole nother level. This thing is insane. So if you haven't heard of it yet, what it does is you tell it a writing prompt and it will write for you. So whether that be a blog post, it can write about all sorts of information in blog style. It can write you a short story. It can write you a longer story. It can write you a script for a commercial. It can even code for you, depending on what kind of code you need. So it's completely free to use. It is absolutely mind-blowing. And a lot of people are like, well, if this is so advanced, why are they releasing it to the public? And the answer to that is because it's an AI. And the more prompts an AI gets, the more it learns. So it's actually beneficial for OpenAI to, open this to the public because it helps their AI learn, because it's getting so many prompts so many times a day. And right now, even a lot of times if I try to get on GPT, then a lot of times the server is like overloaded and you can't even do anything because there are so many people using this. So it's really taken by the internet by storm. But there are some other AI that are also doing some crazy stuff. One of them is called Synthesia. And it is a video AI where you basically give it a script and it makes an avatar that almost like a news reporter style video where this fake person who looks like a real person is reading the script that you gave it. It is absolutely mind-blowing. And there's some other stuff going down the pipe as well in regards to that, as far as, more realistic imaged software, all that kind of stuff. So that's just right now, and all of this has happened in such a fast period of time. I mean, it is almost unbelievable how fast this is moving. And so watching that, you have to think about the implications of all of this in a year or 2 years. And I think we're going to see AI start penetrating more industries and more fields. So one of the things that I've been really thinking about is the potential for AI to basically take over every industry, and that's going to be business, that's going to be like creative work, all kinds of stuff. So when you think about what AI is already doing in the video space, in the writing space, I can legitimately see there soon being animation AI, where you basically make a character that the AI remembers, like this is your character, and then you type in like script and scenes and actions that you want it to build as a video. And so you think about that, and you could legitimately make an animated movie all with AI from a computer, and it does everything for you. It would do the voices for you. It would do all of the animation work for you, all the scene art, everything. And that's just absolutely mind-blowing to think about. And I think that is honestly closer than we expect. Another thing that I have kind of thought about is AI malware, which is a really scary thought, to be honest, because you think about how many cyber attacks take place right now. I mean, there's like billions of cyber attacks every day. And if, people start building malicious AI to attack, firewalls and stuff, think of it as it almost like launching some kind of like a DDoS attack. It's just a multi-layered, like extremely fast attack on firewalls, where the AI would just like launch all these different strategies and figure out what worked to, get through certain firewalls. And now you have entire systems that can be compromised. So obviously the response to that would be like an antivirus AI that would protect and act as a firewall in real time against malicious AI. So that's the kind of stuff that, it's gotten me to thinking about. And I'm going to say, like, if you're somebody that, you own your own business, or maybe, you work for a business, AI is not something to ignore. It's going to become very important for marketing purposes, for sales purposes. It's going to become important on almost every level. And I would honestly compare the AI revolution to the beginning stages of the internet, except that it's moving like at hyper speed, way faster, multiple times faster. And so I'm afraid that businesses that aren't paying attention to AI, that aren't kind of thinking about these things, will get left behind, just like, as an example, Sears did during the rise of e-commerce. So I'm not saying that businesses should be investing in AI specifically right now, but I think in the very near future, it's going to be a mandatory situation. So that's kind of my thoughts on the state of AI right now and where it's headed. Do you guys agree? Do you disagree? What do you guys think AI is going to bring to the table, and what happens next? Let me know in the comments below, and if you liked this video, please like, subscribe. I'd sure appreciate it, and I hope all of you guys have a great day.